Welcome to this tutorial on extracting frames from a video using Termux, Python, and FFmpeg on your Android device. In this video, we'll show you how to set up Termux, write a Python script, and use FFmpeg to capture frames from a video file. Let's get started. Part 1. Setting up Termux. The first step is to install Termux on your Android device. Termux is a powerful terminal emulator that brings Linux to Android. You can download it from F-Droid. Once installed, open Termux, and we'll begin the setup process. Part 2. To access your device's files, grant Termux storage permissions. Type termux-setup storage in the terminal and press enter. You'll see a permission request on your device. Make sure to allow it. This step creates a directory structure that lets Termux access your device's storage. Part 3. Next, we need to install FFmpeg and Python within Termux. Start by updating your packages with pkg update and pkg upgrade. Then, install FFmpeg and Python by typing pkg install FFmpeg, ekg install Python. These tools are essential for processing the video. Part 4. Let's write a Python script to extract frames from our video. Open a text editor in Termux by typing nanoframes.py. Now in the editor, enter the following code you can find on my blog post. Save and exit the editor by pressing Ctrl+X, then Y, and enter. Part 5. Now let's run the script and see it in action. In Termux, type pythonframes.py. You'll be prompted to enter the path to your video file and the output directory for the frames. First, place the input video in a folder within your storage and create a new folder named output inside that same folder. When specifying the input and output paths, make sure to start with //emulated/0# followed by the folder or file name. The script will process the video and save the frames as images in the specified output folder. Check the folder to see the extracted frames. Conclusion, and that's it. You've successfully extracted frames from a video using Termux, Python, and FFmpeg. This setup is versatile and can be used for various video processing tasks directly from your Android device.